The valuation of a law firm, of course, is something that we talk a lot about with prospects, clients, in the legal marketplace and community overall. It takes a specialized look at the firm, the setup of the firm overall, but each law firm has value. We go through that based on the explanation of what makes up value. The phone keeps ringing. You've got systems, you've got process. You have clients that come back and you have referral sources that keep referring. All of that has value. The goal for us is how to capture that and build out a good transaction and transition-based structure to allow you to transition that value or transfer that value over to the successor or to the buyer to accomplish that. So coming up with that number, we can definitely help with that. Walking through how that number can effectively be transferred over to the next generation is the key element as well to kind of plan for.
Okay, and then what kind of timelines are we talking about? Whether it's to find a buyer or it's after closing in that transitional space?
Yeah, we try to tell all attorneys to plan on at least 2 years after you find a buyer, or internally if you have your successor and you close that kind of agreement on structure, to plan on at least 2 years that you're going to stay on in some capacity with the firm working. Now that first 12 months may be full-time, you're still working hard because you're serving clients, you're doing client legal work, but you're also helping on management transition to the new successor owner. You're working on client relationship transitions, outside meetings, lunches, those different things. But then over time, it may slow down. So that 2 years or 3 years may be something that you go from full-time to part-time, allowing you to have more of a flexible schedule. But definitely the standard that we usually talk about is 2 years up to 3 years post-event as far as the ownership transfer.